Hey YouTube, it's KShadow22 here, and today I'm presenting you another video on Visual Basic. Today we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be checking for our internet connection, and then we're going to make our own web browser. Which the web browser will be a lot more easier than, the web browser is easier for me to do than the check internet, because check internet is a bit confusing. So let's first start off with checking the internet. So let's go ahead and add another form. And let's name it check internet connection. Let's name it check internet availability. Probably named that wrong, but so check internet. Let's just see. Here, let's add a label, and then all we need is a button. Let's name this check. Then let's name the status. Let's go up to the font and let's change it to 12. And let's go ahead and copy the status thing, and let's add one right here. Whoops, we do not want the size to look like that. Let's name it 13. No, let's keep it at 12, but make it bold. Kind of give it more of a better headline type of thing. And you know what, let's just go ahead and align it. And we're going to go up to the top, to the properties, and we're going to make maximize box false and minimize box false. Now we're going to scroll up to where it says form border style, and we're going to make that toolbox window, fixed toolbox window. Now we have it as this. Okay, so now when we have click the check button, we're going to want a code to run through. So check internet. We're going to do some importing. So go up to the public class and click enter, then right above it type imports Microsoft.Windows 2. Oops, don't need that no more. Dim. So we're going to create a new class, I guess. No, we're not creating a new class. That would be stupid. Don't do that. We're going to declare internet status as a boolean, so like true or false. Boolean is like true, or it can be false, or it can be I don't know what you would call it, like in between, like doesn't have a status, I guess. It's not true or false, and it's not maybe. It's like unchecked, pretty much. We're going to add this to button 1, and then we're going to copy this, and for sure the code will be in the description for both things. There'll be two separate links. So then we're going to have label 2.text equal active. Not available. No, not active. Sounds better, I think. Okay, then we're going to also have label 2 dot forecolor equals color dot green. No, let's have it blue. No, we can have it navy actually. We're going to go with kind of like a darker type of thing. And then do the same thing here, but make it maroon. Maroon is a dark red, and navy is a dark blue. So now we have this set up right here. Now we're going to go back to Form 2, double click here. We're going to go over here. And check internet. And we're going to do check internet availability dot show. I cannot talk this morning or afternoon. Sorry, I just woke up like 17 minutes ago. So now let's go ahead and give this a shot. So username KShare22, password YouTube, and let's go ahead and log in. Here let's select check internet, enter internet status active. If I turn off my internet here, so now it's off, not active. So obviously it works. Okay, so now let's get started with the web browser. I'm gonna run through and speed up the video very quickly while I add a few things. Okay, YouTube, I'm back and I'll tell you what I did. What I did was I added a text box, I added 5 buttons, then I also add a web browser, which you can find the web browser if you scroll all the way down and select web browser and drag it in. Now under the properties over here, we're going to want suppress errors, no, script error suppress, we want to make that true. Or else you're going to be getting a little box popping up after every web page, and it is annoying. So that's, and then we're going to anchor the top, left, bottom, top. We're going to anchor it all. I think so. No, all but the top. And the buttons can just stay there because we don't need to be stretching or messing anything with them. Actually, we could. We're going to make these all top and right. Oh, crap. Okay, and this one's going to be top, left, and right. Whoops. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Top, left, and right. And now we're going to have go to Form 1 or web browser, whatever, and then we're going to go into the events and select load. We're going to type in web browser dot navigate, and then we're going to add a URL. So https://www.google.com. Then close that. Now let's go ahead and give this a shot to make sure it runs the home page. Oh, I didn't add it. Oh well. We'll just continue with this. We're going to copy this paste under the go button, and we're going to type textbox1.text, textbox1.text. After doing that, we're going to go to the back button. We're going to type in web browser 1. Like these codes are simple, .back, or I think. No, go back. Okay, so easy, go back. Web browser 1 dot go forward. And then I bet you guys can guess this one. Web browser 1 dot stop. And this one as well. Web browser 1 dot refresh. Now let's go ahead and give this HTTPS www.google.com because that's the home page. We're going to go document completed. I believe that's what we want. Yeah. We're going to have text box 1 dot text equal web browser 1 dot URL dot toString. So now after every time we go to a different page while selecting something within the web browser, it's going to change this up here as well. So it's like updating and giving you the link. And I forgot, now let's go to forum 2, select an activity, copy paste. We're going to type in web browser. And then also we're going to rename this to web browser .show. So now let's give this a try. Oh, I typed KShadow22 twice. Now let's go to web browser, hit enter. Now we have this. And for some reason I didn't add the docking on that. So let's go ahead and type in youtube.com. Click go. As you can see, it just shot the real link up here and added the HTTP, and we can see the protocol and the domain and see a few other declarations with a link. But anyways, let's not get too much into links. But we can see that the page loaded. So now let's load it again, but stop it, and so you can see it stops. We can refresh the page. We can go back, we can go forward. So we can see all the buttons work. Now let's just add the docking for this application. Go over here, web browser, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to find dock. No, it's not dock, anchor. Yep, so we need to add the top. So let's hope this works. So I'm not that good with anchoring. And then hit enter. So now we can see it stretches perfectly. And we can do whatever we want. We can like type in cheese, burgers, and the link will change up here. So if we need this link, we can take it. So that's all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time.